Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dday podcast. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to this channel. Your support means a lot to us. Your support helps us make more helpful videos.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here. Thank you for listening to Dday podcast.
And if you are new here and you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel. This podcast is for slow and easy English. We learn together.
Yes, everyone is welcome here.
Today, we will talk about money. We will learn how to talk about money in simple English.
Money is part of daily life. We use money every day.
Yes. First, let us learn some easy money words.
Some easy money words are money, save, spend, buy, pay.
Very good. Now, let us use them.
I save money every month.
Good. Save means keep money for the future.
I spend money on food.
Yes, spend means use money.
I buy groceries.
Buy means get something with money.
I pay my bills.
Pay means give money for something.
These words are easy.
Yes. Now let us talk about daily money habits.
Every day, I think about my money. I try to save a little.
That is a good habit.
Sometimes I spend too much money, for example, on snacks.
That happens to many people.
Now, I try to plan my spending.
Plan is a good word. Plan means think before you spend.
Yes, I make a simple plan.
Very nice. Now let us practice simple sentences.
I save money.
I spend money carefully.
I buy only what I need.
I pay with cash.
These sentences are short and clear.
Yes, simple English is powerful.
You do not need big words. Now, listener, think about your money.
You can say, I save money. I spend money on food. I want to save for something.
One sentence is enough.
Now we have a question for you.
What do you want to save money for?
And what small thing do you spend money on every day?
Write your answer in the comments. Writing is good practice.
Now we will learn how to manage money in simple English.
Money management is very important. It helps us feel calm and confident.
Very good. Now let us talk about them.
Save means keep money for later.
Spend means use money.
Plan means think before you spend.
Need means something important.
Want means something nice but not necessary.
Excellent. Now let us talk about real life.
I want to share a story from my life.
Please share.
2 years ago, I did not manage my money well.
What happened?
I spent money on small things, coffee, snacks, online shopping.
That sounds familiar.
Yes, at the end of the month, I had no money.
That feels stressful.
Yes, I felt worried.
What did you do then?
I decided to change.
That is good.
I started to write my spending every day.
That is a simple idea.
Yes, when I saw my spending, I understood my problem.
Very good lesson.
I want to share another story.
Go ahead.
Last year, I wanted to buy a new phone.
That's a big expense.
Yes, but I did not buy it quickly.
What did you do?
I made a plan. I saved a little money every week.
That is smart.
After 3 months, I bought the phone, and I felt proud.
That is a great feeling.
Yes, money management gives peace.
Very true.
Now, I think before I spend.
Simple habits are powerful.
Yes, small steps help a lot.
Now, listener, this is for you.
Think about your money habits.
You can say, I save money. I spend money on food. I want to save for something.
One sentence is enough.
Now we have a question for you.
What do you want to save money for?
And what small thing do you spend money on every day?
Write your answer in the comments.
Writing helps you practice English. Thank you again for listening.
Thank you for supporting Dday Podcast.
If you like this episode, please like the video.
Please share it with your friends.
And if you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe now.
See you in the next episode.
Take care. Speak slowly. Be confident.
Bye for now.